We have seen the market has resolved to rise again, and that's primarily because of the State Bank decision to keep the status quo towards the discount rate. And we have seen the KIBOR to fall by up to 150 basis points, especially in the tenor of 6 months and the year. And we have seen the rates to come down to 23.4% from 25.6 to 25.06 earlier. So that primarily indicates that the investor sentiment is reviving, and investors are expecting that in the upcoming period we'll be seeing the monetary policy to go away from the tightening, and we'll be seeing the policy rate to go down. So given this situation, investors are taking positions in the stock market, but at the same time there are still pressures going on after the Supreme Court verdict against the graft cases, and we have seen that the reopening of NAP cases, in that case we'll see some pressure, political noise to come up in upcoming period. But at the same time, the positive outcome is, since the interest rates are going down, the markets is supposed to rise in upcoming period, and we'll also see the positive impact of rising global crude oil prices. Rising oil prices makes the oil companies pretty attractive, and we have seen the interest of investors coming back to the oil scripts. That's leading the market. At the same time, we are seeing across the board buying activity triggering back after the State Bank decision to keep the policy rate status quo. And going forward, we expect the policy, after the earnings season, we'll see the positive momentum to come back to the market, reaching back to the previous highs. We are seeing the dollar fall would continue, and giving the security situation in the country and the way the military is dealing with the smuggling, we think that the dollar would continue to come down. And going forward, we'll see that the rupee to appreciate primarily because of its own strength. It's been totally overvalued, and dollar has been totally overvalued, and the investors are now expecting taking more positions to rupee, ideally because of the falling inflation in the coming period, and also the State Bank's decision to keep the interest rates on the lower side.